Want to lose 10 pounds? Fast? Forget crash diets and crazy workouts. What if I told you there's a science-backed plan that actually works, and you can start today? Whether you've got a beach trip coming up, a wedding, or just want to feel better in your clothes, this is your ultimate shortcut, backed by research and trusted by trainers. Step 1. Cut the carbs. First things first, cut back on sugar and refined carbs. Studies show that reducing carbs leads to rapid water weight loss and trims belly fat fast. Swap white bread, pasta, and soda for veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. You'll drop pounds within days. Seriously, your body starts burning fat for fuel instead of storing it. Step 2. Prioritize protein. Protein is your secret weapon. It boosts metabolism, reduces appetite, and preserves muscle while you lose weight. Aim for 100-150 g a day. Think chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, or a clean protein shake. High-protein diets have helped people drop 10+ pounds in under 2 weeks. Step 3. Hydrate like crazy. Drinking water boosts fat burn and curbs cravings. Try drinking 16 ounces before meals. You'll naturally eat less. Bonus tip. Add lemon or apple cider vinegar to your water to detox and improve digestion. Step 4. Try intermittent fasting. Want a boost? Try intermittent fasting. The 16-8 method, 16 hours fast, 8-hour eating window. Improves insulin sensitivity, burns belly fat, and simplifies eating. It's not a diet, it's a schedule that works. Step 5. Burn fat with smart movement. You don't need long workouts, just move smart. Go for brisk 30-minute walks, do short HIIT sessions, or lift weights 3x a week. It keeps your metabolism high even when resting. Want to lose 10 pounds fast? Stick to this plan for just 2-3 weeks and you'll see results you won't believe. Cut carbs, eat protein, drink water, try fasting, and move smart. It's science-backed and it works. Comment "I'm in" if you're starting today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more no BS health tips.